Hello everyone, thank you
Okay.
for watching this video. I'm George Morita. Today I'm excited to interview with my old friend, Mr. Asim Snobber from Jordan. Hello, Asim.
Hi, George. How are you?
Yeah, I'm good.
How's
I'm
everything?
good.
Well, thank you, George, very much for
Mm,
this interview, and it's my pleasure really to meet you today and to talk together about this collaboration and business relationship. And I wish this collaboration will be for a long time together. Watson, it's one of the brand I believe in, and without believing in the product, you cannot sell. You cannot even make your product available in the market. So it's very important before even you go ahead and sell any product, you need to believe in this product. We started this company actually in 2022, and the vision of our company was to serve the life science projects and customers. We can deliver high quality products without any delay. So Science Oasis is specialized in lab supplies and medical tools, and we focus this time with life science business, with research centers, with universities, academics, plus also for products like diagnostics. We focus only on molecular diagnostics actually. The first 3 years is not easy because you need to establish the market, to know more about your competitors, to hire a good team, suitable team for you. These changes is not easy. Last 3 years for us, it was very tough. But now we are in the good shape. We have now very good brands like Watson Biolab, and now we are focusing on one brand for each section. Before we start with Watson, we bought from different countries. We did not convince that the quality in these products are found. So once we found Watson, we only work now with Watson. No more disposables from any suppliers around the world except Watson. So our Science Oasis is now focusing on a brand only, because I believe if we focus on the brand, okay, it's not easy, I know that it takes some time, but with the long time, the customer will know you from this brand and they will recommend the customers and other people to buy from you, and the sales will be increased. So the Science Oasis now is getting bigger and bigger. Now we have a branch in Dubai. We are now making this branch very active. We are hiring team now to support Dubai and Saudi Arabia for our brands. Any company cannot be developed without a team, and this is why I believe people, they have not only scientific background, they have the experience. We hired people specialized in biotechnology, in medical laboratory, biomedical engineer, because, for example, for the pipette, we need to make calibration. If there is any problem in the pipette, we need to release the parts. So engineers is very important. We have a good team for engineering. There is something called IQ, PQ, OQ certifications. And these certifications now must in some organization, government. And without engineers, you cannot make these reports actually. And the test for the machine. Yeah. Also, we are not only focusing on the team that they handle the service department or sales. We have people specialized in logistics, because without logistics, we cannot get your material on time. There is a worldwide procedure from the country to country, and approvals, documents, and FDA. And we have a nice, tender department. They are focusing on and pick all tenders related to our products. We started this relationship around 3 years ago, and it was not easy because it's for us, it's the first time to contact Watson, and I reach you, I remember, and we talked together about this collaboration and how we can start together selling something new in the Middle East, and to start convincing people about something new. It's not easy. in the market that saturated and fully, with different suppliers around the world from different countries. We really did our searching, and we found some articles and some talks about Watson Biolab and the future of Watson Biolab. And we talked together how we start this collaboration. We sent some samples, and we start, making some workshops.
I vividly remember that you invited me to the SOTCO University, the conference, and there were so many audience. Yeah,
it was a science day. Yes.
Right.
Yes. So it was really, this start was not easy because we need to learn people about Watson. We start making some evaluation with the customers and make some presentation about Watson, sending some videos, and customers really starting like the quality of the product, especially in the molecular biology department labs, because they are looking for accurate result, and they found that Watson is different than any pipette they have used. The pipette is very light, durable, and accurate, easy to use, fit with the fingers during the doing the experiment, like for 2-3 hours without feeling that the hand is tired. So that makes people happy that using this pipette, comparing with we don't want to name some brands. It's really they said it's very good price, plus it's the same quality actually with the top suppliers. So they're surprised, and now we start making more orders from Watson. As you see, we start increasing the orders, and we focus now on the disposables, because we found some customers that they are complaining about the disposable they are using from different suppliers. It's not good quality and is not fit with Watson. So we told them that if you need more accurate result, use Watson pipette with pipette tips from Watson. It gives you a good result. I remember last month we sold a customer for 5 ml pipette. 5
ml.
He bought from different suppliers. This pipette tips is not fit with Watson pipette. The result is not good. Please help us. So we give them the suggestion that you need to buy from Watson pipette tips. Last month we start buying small quantities from 5 ml tips. They used it, fit very perfect. They are doing pipetting with accurate result. They are very happy now. This is amazing because you can now buy your pipette and your pipette tips from the same factory perfectly, without any mistake of liquiding or getting any wrong result in the experiment.
Very good, successful example. Thank you very much for your effort.
Very good. Yeah. From Watson, we need maybe to learn more about the product, actually, to know more about the R&D plans for the Watson, what they are going to develop products in the future, so we can help Watson to what the market of Middle East needs. Sharing this information together can support the factory to focus on some products for Middle East. So this is very important to work together. The distributor is selling the product, presenting your product, talk about your product. So it's very important to learn more about the products from time to time, to make more online workshops, to train people about how to use, how to make, for example, calibration of the pipette, what the tools they need. This is very important actually to make this connection between the distributor and supplier and the factory. Also, we need from you, if you can, make some seminars. Anyone can share it with the researchers and universities. Some of the scientists from Watson Lab or some of the production manager talk about the product. Or also, we need maybe to visit your factory to learn more, to schedule really a distributor meeting. It's very important. Like Middle East distributor, Asia distributor, US distributor, Brazil distributor, let's say Europe distributor. So we can maybe connect together and learn from each other about how they sell Watson, what's the challenges. It's very important to have these meetings in Japan actually with the mother company. It's very nice to gathering like one day workshop or 2 days. Okay, you pay the hotel.
Yeah, there are so many
you
good
pay the
hotels
food.
in Kobe.
You pay the food, we pay the hotel. Yeah. So. Yeah, I mean, actually, we miss some products on Watson disposable, like flasks, tissue culture flask. It's a huge market and very important.
At the same time, maybe cellulosical pipettes as well, right? Cellulosical pipettes and pipette aids.
Surgical pipette is very important with pipette aid. Yeah, pipette aid is very common used in the market.
We cannot reach to the information. It's also very helpful for us to hear the market needs and requirements from the local market. Thank you for the feedback.
I think my advice to them, as I told you in the beginning, you need to work first with George. Okay.
I'm flattered. Thank you.
Yeah.
Thank you.
No, you are a very good guy. It was very good negotiation in the beginning how to start working with Watson. Thank you very much.
My pleasure.
My advice also is they need to believe the product. They need to feel it's very valuable products. It's not just buy a pen, for example, from different suppliers. No, it's a science. You need to buy a very good brand with very good quality like Watson Biolab. Even you face some problems and prices and competition with other suppliers, you just go ahead and make more workshop, make more seminars, make more sales visits to customer, explain about the pipette, explain about mushroom bottom, and it's easy to use. Talk more about the pipette specification. Keep on, you will see the good result for the sales in the future.
Thank you very much. That's very impressive. So that's a great example. The signature is also important. Yeah, but that it's a science. Yeah. So thank you very much for today's interview.